Come test drive the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.